Hey guys, this is Jeff, and I am going to share with you a form that's really helping me out and that I'm using. I don't know if you can read that, but it says days of the week, new leads, phone calls that I made, voicemails that I left, appointments that I set, and customers, MDs or CTs, the people that have signed up. So, you know, I find that, and you can, this is a simple spreadsheet here, real easy to make. If I can figure out how to make one, I'll attach one and send one out. But this is a, you can print this off if you like. I just use Evernote. It's a program, a free program, and it's evernote.com, I think. You can just download the app, and then you can print them out if you want. But I just, I've got all my weeks here. And what it tells me is if I have actually done anything. How many phone calls did I make? How many voicemails did I leave? How many appointments did I set? And there's some days that I do not feel like making a phone call. But I know that if I don't make a phone call, then I won't be able to show someone how the program works. If I don't show someone how the program works, I'll never have a business. So I think everything really kind of stems from that. For me, it stems from phone calls, and this encourages me to get my business in motion. And I'd encourage you to use something similar as well. This isn't a new concept or anything. I got it from listening to Todd Falcone, and I really liked it. So I hope you like it as well. And again, days of the week, the totals, new leads, phone calls, voicemails, appointments, customers, or MDs. Real simple. Hope this has helped.